So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Consumer Psychology Week 4th assignment 4. So, the first question is a dash is one in which a decision is made before visiting an outlet that an item from a certain product category will be purchased. So, these are the options: generally planned purchase, specifically planned purchase, specifically promoted purchase, specific product purchase. So, the answer of our first question is A, generally planned purchase. Now the second question is simply put dash is the possession and or use of goods and services and the benefits they deliver. So these are the option: consumption, asymmetric effect, alternative criteria, criterion, alternative evaluation. So let's check the answer of our second question. Question second: consumption is the possession and or use of goods and services and the benefit they deliver. So the answer of our second question is A, consumption. Now, the third question is in that case of dash, the consumer does not have to have taken possession of or used to the product. So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of third question. Question third: purchase associated cognitive dissonance. As the consumer makes a commitment to that to the purchase or selection of the product in most cases before use or possession. So the answer of our third question is B, purchase associated cognitive dissonance. Now, the fourth question is transformation of objects, place, people, and events from the profane to the sacred is dash. So, these are the options: sacralization, asymmetric effect, contrast effect, desacralization. So, the answer of our so let's check the answer of our fourth question. Question fourth: objects, place, behavior, days, or session, sacralization. So the answer of our fourth question is A, sacralization. Now the fifth question is consumption set is greatly influenced by closely connected variables dash and our culture. So these are the option: consumption, fandom, discrelization, moral equity. So let's check the answer of our fifth question. Question fifth: consumption and the culture in which we live are also closely connected. So the answer of our fifth question is also A, consumption. Now the sixth question is the presence of other gives the consumption situation are dash. So these are the options: social context, physical context, mental context, public context. So let's check the answer of sixth question. Question six: the presence of other gives the consumption situation a social net context. So the answer of our sixth question is A, social context. Now, the seventh question is an example of the concept of a dash would be having an appetizer, a salad, a main course, a dessert, and a cup of coffee at the same restaurant. So, these are the option: consumption situation, consumption system, consumption episode, consumption set. So, let's check the answer of our seventh question. So, question 7: a consumption episode is defined as the set of items belonging to the same event and occurring in temporal proximity. So, the answer of our seventh question is C, consumption episode. Now the eighth question is consumption that is a part of everyday life is considered dash. So these are the options: ritual consumption, consumption behavior, sacred consumption, profane consumption. So let's check the answer of our eighth question. Question 8: profane consumption is part of everyday life. So the answer of our eighth question is D, profane consumption. Now the ninth question is it has been suggested that compulsive consumption behavior is found among consumers who come from families where one or more of the following are found dash. So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our ninth question. Question 9: abuse of alcohol or other forms of substance abuse, physical violence, divorce, separation, single parenthood, or other type of emotional conflicts. So the answer of our ninth question is D, all of the above. Now the tenth question is the degree to which the consumer's expectations are fulfilled is known as dash. So these are the option: objective performance expectancy, disconfirmation, simple confirmation, negative disconfirmation. So let's check the answer of our tenth question. So question 10: with simple confirmation, the purchase perform as expected, resulting in satisfaction. So the answer of our 10th question is the simple confirmation. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.